About this tutorial. Welcome to this tutorial, specially designed for students of power electronics. The goal is to help you become fluent in using MATLAB Simulink, so you can confidently build and simulate your assignments and projects. We've included problem-based examples explained in a simple and easy-to-understand manner, making your learning experience both fast and effective. Who this tutorial is for. This is a beginner-friendly course tailored for students and new users of Simulink. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be comfortable with the basic functionalities of MATLAB Simulink and will have reached an intermediate level of expertise. From here, you'll be ready to explore more advanced features and complex models. Prerequisites. Before starting, we assume that you have some basic knowledge of computer programming. You should be familiar with concepts such as variables, constants, expressions, and statements. If that sounds like you, you're ready to begin. Getting started with Simulink. To launch Simulink, simply type Simulink into the MATLAB command window, or click the Simulink icon in the toolbar. Once it opens, you can choose from a variety of templates or start with a blank model. For this tutorial, let's click on Blank Model to create a new project. Before we begin working, it's a good practice to click Save and name your model. Exploring Simulink libraries. To launch Simulink libraries, click Library Browser and then click here. Simulink provides a rich set of libraries containing the blocks you'll use to build your models. These libraries are organized into categories like commonly used blocks, continuous, dashboard, and many more. Each category contains a wide variety of blocks to meet different modeling needs. Building and simulating a simple model. Let's build a simple model to demonstrate how integration and differentiation work. We'll start by integrating a constant value and then deintegrate it to retrieve the original input. To add a block to your model, right-click the block and choose Add to Model, or simply drag and drop it onto your workspace. Let's add all the blocks we need to build our model. Now let's connect the blocks together by clicking and dragging from one connection point to another. Double-click the constant block and set the constant value to 5. Next, set the simulation time to 5 seconds and click Run to start the simulation. Open the scope to see the graph. The scope block will display the signal over the course of the simulation, allowing us to visualize the output in real time. Integrating a constant value gives us a linear function as can be seen from the graph. Deintegration retrieved the original input, that is 5.